If you're lucky enough to have health insurance and you were injured in an accident, you may get a letter from your health insurance carrier saying, to the extent that you make a recovery from the person that caused your harm, that your insurance carrier wants to be paid back for what it has spent on your medical bills. That's called subrogation or a lien. The theory behind it is pretty simple. It is, hey, you have insurance coverage out here for if you catch a cold, or if you do something on your own, you break a bone, whatever. But now your insurance company is paying medical bills because somebody else hurt you. So under Pennsylvania law, depending on your insurance carrier's funding and the plan language, they may be entitled to be paid back to the extent that you make a recovery. First, it's important to note, they only get paid back if they're entitled if you make a recovery. If you were to go to trial and lose, or for whatever reason be unsuccessful in your claim, you would not owe any money back to your insurance carrier. But I will caution you about this. If you got a letter from your insurance carrier saying that they're entitled to be paid back, they might not be. There are several requirements that they have to meet. They need to be an ERISA-based plan, for instance. It depends on whether or not they're an HMO or a PPO or a different type of insurance carrier. It depends on their IRS filing, and it depends on the plan language. At Marcus and Mack, we do not just trust that a letter that says that they're entitled to be paid means that they are entitled to be paid. We make sure that they have dotted their I's and crossed their T's before we release any of your money to an insurance carrier. The other thing that we do is we don't just pay them back dollar for dollar. We do the best that we can to negotiate a fair payback, because the funds that you receive are often limited by the amount of insurance coverage out there, and you need to be compensated for your injuries as well. At Marcus and Mack, we do our best to make sure that we are having your interests at heart, not those of the insurance company. So everything we do is designed to maximize the amount of compensation that you actually put in your pocket at the end of the day, because you're the one that was hurt, and that's all that matters.
Call Marcus and Mack on the Hurt Line right now.